Hi guys, this unboxing is from Ultimate Traders. We are selling this product on Amazon and different sites. So it's a Bluetooth. You will get this type of product when you buy it. Okay, it's a Bluetooth, so you can convert any without Bluetooth device to in a Bluetooth, like car players and home theaters and old DVD players, CD players, and etc. Let me open it first. Okay, you get this type of packaging. It's a safe package, so it's not gonna damage in transportation. Let me show you. You will get this. I'm also showing you how to use it. Okay, so first you have to get this seal. This is from Ultimate Traders. Let me do this. Okay, so first you get Bluetooth device. It's a Bluetooth panel. You get mode, volume, scan and volume minus, and you can also change the tracks using this. And you also get the aux input, and you also get the USB port and the card port, and this is the Bluetooth one. Okay, so here you see this is the power socket. Yes, 5-volt input only. If you use 12-volt, it's gonna harm the plate, it's gonna burn. Okay, and here you see this is the audio output and antenna output. Okay, and here is also a port for mic. If you want to install a mic, you have to get the mic and solder it here. Let me show you closely. Yes, you can see there is written mic. Okay, and in a box you also get separate 2 wires like this, one for the power supply and second one is for audio and antenna. This red one is antenna, for antenna, and these 3 ports are, middle one is common, and this side is right hand side and left hand side. If you want to use any small 3-watt speaker, you can use this wire as a common and use these 2 wire as a left and right. But I don't recommend that because it's not gonna generate that much power. It's a conversion kit basically. And you also get this IC. So what this IC do, this is 7805 IC. It's gonna convert 12-volt to 5-volt. So you can use this kit in a car and convert your car power in a 5-volt. So this is gonna work. Okay, so this IC converts the voltage of 12-volt in a 5-volt, and it's also going to take here is the, you also get this specifications. So you see you can use 35-volt to 6 volts to convert in a 5-volt DC, so it will work then. Okay, if you're directly using this, so you can use any old mobile charger output. They provide 5-volt 1 amp, so it's gonna work. Okay, so let me put this side. Okay, so let me show you how to use it. If you are using this kit in home, you can basically use any old phone charger or anything, any adapter, and use this. Okay, some people are getting problems to how to use this, how to connect this. So there is also a wiring diagram here. You also get this in box, so you can easily connect this. I am showing you how to connect this. Okay, so first you have to connect this wire. I already soldered this IC. Let me show you. Okay, so this IC is connected. These 2 sides are positive. One side you have to input plus, and middle is ground, and this is the output side. This side is positive and middle one is ground. So you have to connect this wire to your IC like this I am doing, and these two wires you have to connect to your car battery or any 12 volt supply and 24 volt supply or anything like that. Okay, if you are using high current, so I recommend to use any heat sink. You have to put any aluminum plate here and screw it like this, so it's gonna not heat up, so it performs better then. Okay, now the second wiring is like this. Okay, so you have to connect this wire like this. Okay, so this red wire is antenna. You don't have to do anything, this just peel it up and just leave it there, so it's gonna catch the local radio channels. And the middle wire is like this, 3 wires. Middle one, you see, it's common, and this one is right and this one is left. If you are putting this in a car, you have to search online where to connect these 3 wires, and you can also connect this directly to the aux port. If you have a car have aux port, if you are connecting this kit in a home theater, okay, in a home theater, so you have to connect these 3 wires in aux and audio input. Okay, there is a lots of videos are in YouTube, so you can find out how to connect these 3 wires, but I'm telling you these 3 wires for the middle is a common, and left and right, this is the audio output. Okay, so this kit is connected. If you are using with 5 volt, you can directly connect it. If you are using the high voltage, you have to connect this IC. Okay, the IC diagram is already shown. Okay, let me connect this. Okay, so now I connected to the 2 wires to the 14 volt, and you can also use any 12 volt power supply. Okay, so I connect it like this. Okay, like this. So now your Bluetooth kit is on. It's showing something like this, and you also get the remote, so you can change the mode, like Bluetooth mode, FM mode, and aux mode, and you can also turn it off and turn it on. You get this remote. Okay, I am converting 12 volt to 5 volt using this IC, and I am using this diagram. See, so your Bluetooth is on. Okay, if you have any question about this, you can ping me. You also get our support WhatsApp number here. Okay, thank you from Ultimate Traders.